Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. It's a special day today. One of my favorite holidays, next to my birthday. Happy Easter to all. I got a big butt egg right here. I did a little practice thing yesterday on it, and it did not go as planned. So my man Rick built this little apparatus here for me. I got a 2x4. Let me see if I can pick it up. And he drilled a hole in it, and he made a dowel that sticks up inside the hole at the bottom of the Easter egg so that I can manipulate this a little bit better. This is kind of dear to my heart. I actually started my pouring journey almost 2 years ago during Christmas time. I had recently retired and I was bored out of my mind. The house was done, the landscaping was done. So I made all my ornaments for my Christmas tree because I wanted to and because I had the time to. So the very first pour that I ever did was on a Christmas ornament, and it mesmerized me. It was so exciting, and that's kind of how things started. So this has taken me back to my roots, and I'm really excited. Let's talk about what we got going on here. Our base coat today, where is our base coat? Our base coat is going to be Rust-Oleum Metallics, and this is in their seashell. Now, the paints are mixed a little thicker today because I did not want them to stream down too fast. Now, the first time I ever did a pour on an ornament, I used just paint and glue all. I am using today paint, Floetrol, and just a little bit of GAC 800. I did not need to add any water to my paints. This yummy color right here is Treasure Gold, and that is their aquamarine. We are staying in the Eastery colors. We've got more of the Rust-Oleum seashell metallics in this cup. This pretty cup right here, if I can read it, the writing on these Art Alchemies are so small. This is Art Alchemy, and this is their emerald green. Pretty paints, just not enough of them, guys. Those paints are too darn small, Art Alchemy. Another Art Alchemy paint right here. This is shimmery goodness, guys. This is called Sparkles, and it is the Mermaid Sparkle right there. Pretty Easter color right here, guys. That is Arteza Pearl Pistachio Green. And then our final color today is Amsterdam, and this is their turquoise green. So we got our Easter colors going on, guys. Now what I did is a lot of paint gets wasted as it rolls off of this egg. So what I'm gonna do, if we have time, I'm gonna do what I did with the other pour. I went ahead and took, as Sweet Lee says, bubbles, got some glass ornaments, and I'm just gonna roll it in my drippings like I did with these guys right here. And then I'm gonna stick them in my Aubrey Grace's Easter basket for her Easter egg hunt. So I'm really excited, guys, and very grateful to be included in this wonderful collaboration, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's go ahead and get busy. Hey, if we have time, I got a second egg. So maybe this will be a 2-for-1er. Happy Easter, guys.
I had lost my groove, no one there to Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.